Hello and welcome to Sew and Stack. Regardless of its size, running a small business can be incredibly demanding. It's important to recognize when you need to take a step back and give yourself a break. Taking moments to relax and unwind. Whether it's enjoying a drink or engaging in another activity you enjoy can help to recharge your batteries. Finding that balance between work and self-care is essential for long-term success and well-being. So with that in mind, I thought it's better to take a break from sewing and make a fun little commercial. I'm thinking of doing a one for the play chocolate chip cookies I made last time. Writing down your ideas is essential. We may think we'll remember, but it never works for me that way. So I always keep a little notepad around to write down my ideas. First, I have to lay out a plan for that. Planning ahead is everything. Sometimes nothing goes as planned and still works out fine anyways. Be flexible to do the changes when it's needed. You don't have to stick to every tiny details of your plan. I'm doing this commercial for fun, so I'm using the things I already have in hand. One important thing is don't hesitate to ask for help from people in your life. And the other important thing is don't judge them for doing it wrong for the first time. Now get ready to see how I did that and the final commercial. Order today at Abaniz on Etsy. Pretend bake to pretend play. 100% joy guaranteed. Order today at Abaniz on Etsy.